Beginner Level, Unit 3.1. Directly modifying with verb irregular descriptive verbs. Verb irregular are converted a bit differently than other descriptive verbs. Instead of converting verb into wa, it's converted into un to make the direct modifier. 춥다, to be cold, weather. 차갑다, to be cold, touch. Here's how you conjugate. 춥다, 추, 추운. 차갑다, 차가, 차가운. Example sentences. 많은 사람들은 추운 날씨를 좋아하지 않아요. Many people don't like cold weather. Directly modifying with descriptive verbs, special case 1. Anytime the stem of descriptive verb ends with li을 final consonant, the li을 is just changed to 니은. 달다, to be sweet. 길다, to be long. Here's how you conjugate. 달다, 달, 단. 길다, 길, 긴. Example sentences. 저는 초콜릿, 과자 등 단 것을 좋아해요. I like sweets like chocolate, cookies, and so on. Directly modifying with descriptive verbs, special case 2. Another special case is when the descriptive verb ends with 있다 or 없다. With these types, you can simply add 는 to the stem. 맛있다, to be tasty. 맛없다, to be tasteless. Here's how you conjugate. 맛있다, 맛있, 맛있는. 맛없다, 맛없, 맛없는. Example sentences. 저는 가족과 함께 맛있는 음식을 많이 먹었어요. I ate a lot of delicious food with my family. 저는 맛없는 것부터 먹어요. I eat the bad tasting ones first.